Sinnu hain hula dunya, smishbriyarik, I guess hamifidachan balachidney. Hello, everybody. It's Robin Kerrigan, and I'm in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Shayla Chudramachahan. It's an important day today. Buchor. So this is a big day for Scottish independence. I happened to be in Scotland in 2014, and I got this button for Scottish independence, and there's a very important vote today. I was asked as a request to record something in that vein, and this is a song that's a rallying cry for the Gaelic people. Canon nen Gael, the language of the Gaels, and a scribe lay, Murdo McFarlane from the Isle of Lewis. There was a time when they wanted to put a military base, a nuclear military base, right beside his beautiful little town in the Isle of Lewis, and he wasn't having it, and he wrote this song in protest. It didn't end up happening, which is a wonderful thing. And this song talks about in the old days, you could see somebody with a kilt on, you'd be sure they were Gaelic. Now there's nothing but majors and colonels wandering the hills in the place where the Gaels were living historically. They've tried to kill the language. They've even lit the candles in the wake house, looking for the death of it, but still its living has. So come to the Western Isles, come to the place of the Fenians, come, and come with us to the Western Isles, to the language of the Gaels. Habe kraniger voor wanneer Haben durchgesandt galien wanneer Ach een galer vliegen wanneer Wat de lichtstag gesreed Kan een mogelijk små blij Ik ha kein hekarum goshier There's een kleintje aan kan en empfing Ik ha kein hekarum goshier There's een kleintje aan kan en empfing Nur hier vervelig så glaunen Wo ken sjaka galek a kleinst Nur es björn tare vasenjan Nachakal kakan geld och renen sång Styrvägers is karnas 20 inch Hej kapen, hej karum goshier Cause en kleintjen an kanen en pein Hej kapen, hej karum goshier Cause en kleintjen an kanen en pein Hör nu skoin na koinler en nara Sam karat na koinlen galgar Las of sol så den schamer vranje Töja shalkanne gal Shishit och hauna kurstina Ak hast björkan gøy Ika kein hei karum goshier Cause en kleintje dan kanen en fein Ika kein hei karum goshier Cause en kleintje dan kanen en gay Get hik hele bij as na glin Get na klonjer en ish mun sedunja Hogwek de koi fata ta Andre kutroi maten en She hast an kid kein schint loi Uka kein hei korum sier. Gussen klointjen an kanen fein. Hei kakain, hei karam go sier. Gussen klointjen an kanen geil. Hei kakain, hei karam go sier. Gussen klointjen an kanen fein. Hei kakain, hei karam go sier. Gussen klointjen an kanen geil.